So you want to do 3 more exactly like this, and then you want to take your larger template and cut out the base square. But in addition to that base square, which I'm not going to decorate, that's just the bottom, so it's just going to stay just like that, you also need the pieces that are the pan for the water. Now, if you've cut out templates that are exactly the right length, then you can just lay them on there and cut them out. But if you've just got 2 squares, you can still make your base pieces. What I do is I lay the square on there, and I cut down this way. And then I scoot it over 1/4 of an inch, because remember we needed an extra 1/4 of an inch for these. And then I cut around the rest of the square. Now, in order to get a really nice, even piece, I just lay a ruler on top of there. You can use anything that's consistent all the way across, and just cut that right out. And so these will be the pieces that we attach as the base. So those 2 would be examples of that, and then you need 2 more. So you need 4 of these, and 1 of these, and then we can put it together.